If you've been looking for an easy and affordable way to repair your credit, then I'm about to blow your mind with this short video introduction into the incredible power of the Dispute Wizard. There's more videos below, but this will give you just a down and dirty, easy look at how quickly you can create professional credit repair letters and get them out to the bureaus to start on your credit repair journey. So let's dive right in. Let me just minimize my face here and show you the login screen from thedisputewizard.com. You click login. If you don't already have an account, you can click to sign up. Once I log in, I'm going to land on the dashboard. It shows me my scores, the 3 national credit bureaus, creating the dispute letters, the analysis of my credit profile that was handled by the Dispute Wizard through the AI technology, identifying my positive accounts from my negative accounts. And the very first step, once that's done, is to create a dispute letter. And when I click here, it's going to bring me to a page that automatically has all the negative accounts identified for me. There's actually 3 sections. You've got accounts, public records, and inquiries. We're not going to mess around with the inquiries at this point. But I'll take a look at the accounts that have identified as negatively impacting my credit profile and score. And I'm going to go ahead and finish checking all the ones that I'd like to include in my investigations. And I'm going to go ahead and collapse that and take a look at public records and make sure both of those are checked as well. Once they've all been checked, I've got 18 items selected. I click next. And from here, I just have to view and edit the dispute reason and make sure that I have one selected for every single account. I've gone through ahead and selected a few of these, but the process is very simple. You click add dispute reason. The suggested reason is already there. You click save. There's no thinking on your part necessary. The AI technology behind the Dispute Wizard does all of the thinking for you. It's like having your own personal credit repair professional right built in the box. Let me just go ahead and finish clicking the last few. And collapse that and take a look at both bankruptcies. And now that I've got a suggested reason selected for every one of my accounts, I click finish. My TransUnion Round 1 dispute letter has been emailed to johndemo@thedisputewizard.com. I'm done. First round of investigations for TransUnion is completed. I just go ahead and jump right back to the beginning, as it says here, create my Experian, Equifax, and go to the dashboard. If I'm not ready to do the next ones, I can go to the dashboard. If I'm ready to do Experian, just click there and repeat the process of selecting the accounts I want to investigate and the suggested reasons. I'll check my email. I'll have the instructions with the letters all ready to go. You get them in the mail, bada bing, you're on your way to a new credit life.